Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting accurate inputs, weigh in kilograms and measure height in meters. Once done, record both to 2 decimal places, for example 70. 50 kg and 75 m. Make sure the scale is on a flat surface and the height tape is vertical. This reduces error. If you only have pounds and inches, convert them now. Divide pounds by 2. 205 to get kg, divide inches by 39. 37 to get meters. Now you have the essential numbers to compute BMI. You perform the calculation, take weight in kilograms and divide by height in meters squared. First square the height, multiply 75 times 75 to get 306 m2, then divide 70. 50 divided by 306. Once done, write the result with 2 decimals. This gives consistent comparisons. Make sure to use the correct order, weight divided by the squared height, not the other way around, because that changes the ratio. If you prefer, enter weight and height into a calculator app. You interpret the number against standard ranges. Typically underweight, normal, overweight, or obese. This explains why BMI matters for population risk. Once you read the value, consider context. Muscle mass, age, and pregnancy can skew results, so use BMI as a screening tool versus a definitive diagnosis. If the value looks implausible, remeasure weight and height, recheck conversions from pounds or inches, and ensure you squared meters correctly. This single-step error causes most incorrect BMI.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.